Have you ever stepped outside on a sunny day and suddenly you felt a strong urge to sneeze? This odd reflex, called a photic sneeze, is the result of a genetic condition called the autosomal dominant compelling helio-ophthalmic outburst, or ACHOO syndrome. Clever, we know. About 25% of the world's population has ACHOO syndrome, including Manuel Spetschon, a chronobiologist at the Technical University of Munich, and his father. This motivated the younger Spetschon to study this curious condition. Today, he's investigating the exact stimuli that triggers photic sneezing. Is it a specific wavelength of light? Does brightness matter? Based on his recent study, the answer to the latter seems to be yes. Other researchers are exploring the mechanisms behind photic sneezing. One hypothesis suggests that crosstalk between the optic nerves, which respond to light stimuli, and the trigeminal nerves, which regulate sneezing reflexes, could be at play. Spetschon believes that a better understanding of the photic sneeze could reveal important insights into how the nervous system works.